Peterson Wachira is with me now. He's the chairperson, Kenya Clinical Officers Union. And you said that you're ready for dialogue. There was a conversation today. What was the outcome of it?
Thank you, Trevor. And yes, today we had a conversation with the Ministry of Health, led by the PS for the Public Health and Standards. And I can say that the conversation has started. We don't have a breakthrough yet, but I think as we go ahead, we hope that we'll be able to get a breakthrough. Because as we said yesterday, it's not that we enjoy. Our most comfortable place is with our patients. It's when we are alleviating the suffering of Kenyans in terms of health. It is very unfortunate also that we as health workers, we have to find ourselves at a point where we even have to go to the strikes, where we have to get into the dilemma of leaving our patients, because this is something that we really don't want to do. But it's something that we have really been pushed by the government to do.
But you're saying that the conversation is heading in the right direction, and yours is literally a matter of life and death. People might lose lives when you're still on strike. Why don't you have this conversation while the strike is off?
Now, I'm not saying that it's in the right direction or not, because this is a very preliminary stage. What there is, Trevor, I think we have made enough effort. From November last year, we have extended that olive branch so that we can be able to come together and have a conversation. But now, when you have an employer who is just using the courts to frustrate the process and just to get their ends, because if you look at the Council of Governors, for example, they are the ones who took us to court when we went on strike in 2021. But then when the same court issued an order telling them to come to the table, they have refused. So you have an employer who is actually not sincere. And I think we must give it to the Ministry of Health, because as much as we may not have achieved by now, we can say they are sincerely trying to solve these, the challenges that we're actually encountering.
When is this likely to end?
Of course, it is going to end when we are going to get the results. Because, Trevor, according to the law, we cannot even go back to conciliation. We have gone to conciliation, we have found ourselves in court, and the employer has refused to obey the orders of the court. So it is only after we get the solutions to the demands that we have given that we can be able to go back, because there is no other chance provided in the law.
When is the next meeting?
The next meeting is tomorrow morning.
Okay. We'll continue this conversation just a bit. Hold to stay there with us. Peterson Wachira is the chairperson, Kenya Union of Clinical Officers. We'll talk to him in just a bit to delve into